Hey folks, this is Basant here, and today's video I'm going to talk about the email cold outreaching tool, and in future you can also use the LinkedIn outreaching because this is right now in their roadmap. And not only that, you can just send out the cold emails. Best thing what I like it here is the target search. Here you have to just add your targeting term, and after that it will find you the best targeting people and the leads with the single click you can add here. Then you have to just connect your mailbox like I have done here, and you are ready to send out the emails as the cold here. Okay, so this is how the agent section will work out. You have connected the mailboxes, you have find the targeted audience, and then just go to your first agent section here and it will just sending out the cold emails for you. So in this video I am going to give you this cold outreaching tool overview with the features, demo and the tutorial. Without wasting any more time, let me get started. So this is the NexuScale, and right now it is available on the App Store starting from the just $69. The price is really affordable, but let me show you what are the limits you are getting here. So in this single plan or the tier 1 of the $69, you will get the 1 user access. The leads per month you can just target is the 150. I know it's little bit really low, but let me tell you the leads data is the up to date and really hyper targeting you can do here. Then we have the 5 agents, we have the mailboxes available, we have the emails per month is the 2000 here. Then the lead insights, AI powered lead research, all this stuff you are going to get here. And because it is just scrape the LinkedIn for the data, means you are knowing that the data you are getting is pretty accurate, because not only that, it will get you the leads here. Let me show you. If I go to target search here, you will see it is giving me the leads information, but from where it is getting this lead here? This is from the LinkedIn. Let me show you. Right now it is loading up. I have already just set up or configured to finding the detail and the targeting leads for me according to my targeting topic here. You can see this is the all the data it is getting from the LinkedIn state. If I go to the my target section, I have just scraped few of the leads. You can see this is the first name, last name, and this is their LinkedIn profile ID. Okay, this is their company. If I just move a little bit right here, you can see this is their emails, the revenue, the owner. I am getting all the data here. Okay, so that's how the data you are targeting or scraping here is up to date from the LinkedIn, and you are getting the good results with this data here. Okay, so if you want more limits, what I suggest, go at least with the tier 2 or the tier 3 plans, because here you will get the more leads per month and the more messages or the mailboxes you can connect. If you are going to start with the cold outreaching, let me suggest and give you the pro tip. You need to at least add the 3 mailboxes, because it is going to rotate the mailbox so that your mailbox don't get spammed or their IP got the really low, and thus your messages cannot be sent or land in the inbox. That's why you need the multiple mailboxes. But I like it here, you can connect the multiple kind of the mailboxes here. For example, let me first delete this mailbox here and show you the steps or the ways you can connect. So if I click here on the mailbox adding, you can see we have the Google option, we have the Microsoft, we have the Zoho, and the manual, that is the SMTP way here. So simply you can use the Google or the Microsoft, and then you have to just click here on the allow, and your mailbox will be the connected here. I am going to give you a detailed step-by-step demo, but first let me talk about the lifetime deal here. Okay, so that's why I suggest go with at least the tier 2 or the tier 3 plan, but it has the more than the, I think, tier 5. Yeah, till the tier 5 plan available, and the tier 5 you will get the unlimited agents, 2000 leads per month you can target, and 50,000 emails you can send per month, and this is the really good amount of the cold outreaching. Okay, so based on the whatever the plan suits you best, you can buy it from here. So you can find the link in the description or in the pinned comments. I have also given out my free bonuses that you can check from the description, so make sure you also check them out. Now let me give you the overview and the features demo. So this is the NexuScale dashboard here. Once you got the lifetime deal, when you are going to first time signing the platform, it is going to ask your website URL so it can understand your business or the services, and according that it can just create your first boost campaign. So that will be based on the automation. Just you have to add your website URL. Okay, so once you done that, you have to simply go to the mailbox, and here you have to connect your mailbox so it can just start sending out the campaign here. So we are going to click here on the add mailbox. Here we are going to use the Google OAuth, and it's going to show you the steps here if you are going to use the workspace email here. Okay, but if you are going to use the normal emails like the Gmail, okay, so you can go with the connect or continue with the Google. Here it is going to show you all of your emails. So I'm going to use this one here. Okay, so this is my disposable email kind of the inbox. Okay, so now I have to allow all these steps and click here on the continue, and now your mailbox is the connected here. Okay, so right now the daily email capacity is the 50. That is the really good suitable amount, but you can also make it something like the 250 or the 200. Okay, but what I suggest, go at least with the 50, and then day by day or week by week you can increase the limit here. Okay, now let me go to this section, that is the target search. Here we are going to find out the targeting leads which we are going to add in the agent section, that is basically the campaign section, which will be the used to send the our cold emails. Okay, so right now here you can just type the any term that you want to related search the your leads or targeted audience. So right now you can see I want to search something like the CEO. So I have searched, and now it is going to scrape and find out all the people with this leadership roles. Okay, so right now I have selected the CEO, and this one related, this one is the related, and that's how it is also going to show you all the relevant suggestions. Okay, and based on that, once it is done here, let me go to the find target. Now it will start finding out the target in leads that you have just added here, and it has also the more filtrations available like the job titles, management levels, employee range, all these filtration options available. So in the end you are going to get the really hyper targeting leads for you. Okay, and it has also given you the match score. The higher it is close to the 100, this is more relevant to your topic or the filtered leads you want to search around. Okay, so I'm going to targeting all the 90 plus, so I'm going to select this one, this one, this one, and this one. So I think that is enough for you right now showing for. Now let me click here on the assign for to the agent. So this is the agent, means the campaign in I am adding these leads. Okay, so after that you can select time zone, date, all this stuff, and if you are also want to add the phone numbers, you can add it here. But right now I want to just go with the email, so I will click here on the assign for targets here. Now these people will be the added in my targeting list. You can see this is the my target, and here you can find out all the information like first name, last name, LinkedIn URL. You can actually go to their LinkedIn profile and see the data it's scraped for you. It's pretty good or not, okay, accurate or not. You can see that I got their website URL. Okay, so the personalizing targeting you are getting is really good amount here. Okay, then this is all the other data here. Okay, so now I have to go to simply in the agent section. I have connected my mailbox, I have just scraped the targeted lead, and now I have to go to the agents. You can click here on the build I agent, but I have already created, so I am going to open this one, and now you can see this is the overview. So here you can use the two ways to craft your cold email. You can use the AI generated or you can write the manually. So I'm going to go with the AI generated, and here I have to simply describe which kind of the campaign I want to get started. So I have to describe it. Okay, and I can also use this voice option available, and then I can use to enhance with the AI. So that is actually pretty good option. If you don't want to type, you can just talk it about it, and it is going to write the campaign goal. Now based on that, you can also give your sample email. Okay, so that is also help you and the beneficial to craft your first cold email. Now based on that, this is the your cold email that is the generated, and not only that, it has also generated the follow-up email that is after the 3 days sending, and this is the follow-up email after the 1 day sending. You can add more emails here. Okay, so that is the thing that done here. Now you can go to targeting and see which people this mail will be sent here. Then this is the emails. Basically it is going to show you the stats about the emails, how many they sent, and the schedule here. Then this is the campaign that is again going to give you the stats. Okay, so right now if you remember in the mailbox I have set up the 200 daily limit. So you can see that limit as well here. Now if I go to the scroll down below, there's also the mission option available, but right now it's in the coming soon that I cannot access it. So this is the last section, that is the we have the emails, and again it is going to give you the stats, the emails you have sent, and the preview it is giving you. This is the your prime email, this is the follow-up, and this is the follow-up. So basically this is all the stuff you are going to see here, and if somehow with the connected mailboxes you are getting the replies, you can also check them here. So this is something like the your bird's eye view and the unified inbox combined. Not only it is going to give you the overview all the emails you have sent, but also show you the replies if you got any of your emails here. Okay, then the last or the last section is the task. If you want to assign your team members, you want to also give the task them. So this is the dedicated section available. You have to simply click here on the add task, and then you will able to add the task with your team members or for any of the contact you want to give in any. Okay, so that's how. Now if I talk about the easiness and the user interface, it's pretty much really easy to use. I can instantly understand what this section can do, and there are only 3 prime sections available. First is finding your targeting audience, the second is the connecting the mailboxes, and the third one is the agents, where we are going to sending out our campaigns. And there's also the dark mode available that I can just select from here, and now this dark mode will be the applied. So the user interface I liked really good here, and everything really easy to understand. So the platform, all this stuff combining make it really good for any beginner. I know there are the low limits in the lifetime deal, but like I suggest, you can go with the tier 2 or the tier or the higher plans to get the more limits here. Then if I talk about what are the future possibilities of this platform, then this is the roadmap. In the immediate focus, we have the email warming up. Right now, if you are going to connect your email mailboxes for sending out the emails, you need to warm up them, so they send out the campaign that will be land in the inboxes of your leads. So warming up is really a good feature that in the near future we can see in this platform as well. We have the max delivery, guiding email setup for the SPF and the DKIM here. Okay, then in-app replies, we have the multi-product, and this is the SMTP bulk upload. If you want to connect the multiple mailboxes at once, we have the SMTP bulk feature coming soon. Then this is the near-term goals, and this is the future vision. What I liked in their future vision, we have also coming the LinkedIn outreaching, and this is going to make it really good, because this is something they closely right now only offering cold outreaching for the email as well as the LinkedIn outreaching. But in this platform, we are also going to get this feature as well. Then we have the website lead capturing. This is the feature only the Reach Inbox is offering for in their platform, but this feature we can also see in the NexuScale AI here. So these are all the roadmap features I am showing you right now, and this is the full of the possibilities and amazing features in near term. So that's all for today's video. I am to talk about this tool here. The platform is the really good potential. That's why I think you should not miss out if you want to get started with the cold outreaching and don't want to pay the monthly or the yearly subscription charges. The NexuScale lifetime deal is the good option for you. So I have just given the lifetime deal link in my description along with the free bonuses I am giving out. So make sure you check out the description and the pinned comment. So that's all. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated with all these kind of the tools, AI and the SaaS reviews. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.